What is perimeter? Perimeter of a shape is defined as the total length of all sides / total length of its boundaries. Perimeter is determined by calculating all lengths, sides, and edges of a shape. Finding perimeter of different shapes will vary on how to find it.
Using perimeter. There are a few formulas you can use for perimeter. For a square, it's P equals 4S. For a rectangle, it's P equals 2 times L plus W. For a triangle, it's P equals A plus B plus C. And for a circle, it's P equals 2 times pi r. When it comes to perimeter, there are different formulas for each shape. The P always stands for perimeter. In the square formula, the S stands for the sides, meaning all 4 sides will be multiplied together, which will equal the perimeter. For rectangles, the length and the width will be added and then multiplied by 2. For a triangle, A, B, and C all stand for one side of the triangle, and then all are added together to get the perimeter. Lastly, for circles, the radius of the circle is multiplied by pi r and 2, which will then equal the perimeter.
And here are examples using perimeter. To find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are 9 centimeters, you would have to use the formula P equals 2 times length plus width. In this case, it would be P equals 2 times 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 will equal 18, making the formula P equals 2 times 18. 18 times 2 will equal 36, so 36 will be the perimeter of the rectangle whose sides are 9 centimeters. To find the perimeter of a circle that has a diameter of 15 centimeters, you would have to use the formula pi times diameter. In this case, it would be 3.14 times 15 centimeters, which will equal 47.1 centimeters. 47.1 will be the answer for the perimeter of a circle that has a diameter of 15 centimeters.
So with formulas for area, there are a few different formulas for different shapes. So for a square, the formula for a square is size squared. The formula for a rectangle is length times width. And the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And for a circle, it is pi squared. So to put this formula into play, one question asks, what is the area of a square that has sides measuring 9 inches? So it's a square, and it has sides measuring of 9, so we would do 9 squared, which would equal 81 inches squared to find the area for that question.
For the second question, it is, what is the area of a triangle whose base is 6 inches and height is 7 inches? For this, you would use the triangle area formula, which is area equals 1/2 times base times height. Using this formula, you do A equals 1/2 times 6 times 7, which equals 21 inches squared. And some examples of how perimeter and area differ is that perimeter measures the distance around a shape, while area measures the total space inside that shape.
What is area? Area is the measure of the amount of space enclosed by a two-dimensional shape or surface. It's typically measured in square units, such as square meters or square feet, depending on the system of measurement being used.